This video provides a tour of the Foundation to Year 10 Australian Mathematics curriculum, available at www.australiancurriculum.edu.au. This is a partner video to the guided tour of the Australian Curriculum website, which focuses on general functionality of the whole site. In this video, we will focus on identifying the main components of the mathematics curriculum and how it can be accessed and explored online. To view the mathematics curriculum, click on the Curriculum tab at the top of the page and select Mathematics. The first page to open will be the rationale and aims. The rationale explains the place and purpose of mathematics in the school curriculum and how the teaching and learning of mathematics contributes to meeting the educational goals of the Melbourne Declaration. The aims identify the major learning that students will demonstrate as a result of learning from the mathematics curriculum. By clicking on the Organisation tab, you can view an explanation of how the mathematics curriculum is organised across Foundation to Year 12 and the focus of the curriculum at each stage of learning. This section also explains the focus of the strands and sub-strands used to organise the learning area and how the general capabilities and cross-curriculum priority areas are developed across the mathematics learning area. We'll now explore each of these areas in more detail by clicking on the Curriculum F10 tab. In this section, there are a number of ways to view the curriculum. We'll look at each section of the page and demonstrate how the view can be changed. There are two main parts to this page: the filtering menu and icons for altering the view at the top of the page, and then the curriculum itself, which is divided into year-level description, content descriptions, and an achievement standard for each year level. The year-level description explains the focus for that year level and indicates the ways in which the strands and sub-strands are interrelated. This section helps set the context for the content descriptions that follow. To view the entire year-level description, click on the Read Full Description text. At each year level, the content descriptions specify what teachers are expected to teach. They include the skills, knowledge, and understanding for mathematics at this level. For mathematics, the content descriptions are organised in three strands: number and algebra, measurement and geometry, and statistics and probability. In the default view, these strands are organised in columns with year levels in horizontal rows. You can change this view by selecting the year level option. Each strand is further organised in sub-strands. For example, within the number and algebra strand for Foundation Year, the sub-strands include number and place value and patterns and algebra. By clicking on each content description, you can open the content elaborations. These illustrations open in their own box and provide further detail, examples, and information. You can also view the elaborations by clicking the View icon that looks like an E. Below the content descriptions are the achievement standards for each year level. These provide an expectation of the quality of learning students should typically demonstrate at this point of their schooling. Also, below each achievement standard, annotated work samples are provided as PDF files. An overview of the task is provided, followed by the work sample and annotations showing the basis for the teacher's judgment. Across the curriculum, terms have been hyperlinked to a glossary. These terms appear as underlined text. Important aspects of the Australian curriculum are the general capabilities and cross-curriculum priorities. These are described under the Learning Area Organisation tab. These sections provide an explanation of how the general capabilities and cross-curriculum priorities contribute to and are developed across the curriculum. Under the Curriculum F10 tab, the filtering menu enables you to view the content descriptions that connect to and develop each general capability or cross-curriculum priority. For example, by selecting critical and creative thinking from the drop-down list and clicking on Apply Filter, you can view those areas of the mathematics curriculum in which critical and creative thinking is developed. You can filter for cross-curriculum priorities in the same way. This concludes our tour of the mathematics curriculum online. For more information on using filters and saving and printing curriculum views, please see the guided tour on the home page.